So, you want to buy a pair of Nudie jeans? Well, let me tell you about my experience wearing this pair of Nudie jeans over the last 4 years or so. This particular model that I'm going to be reviewing today is called Pipe Lead. It's no longer sold, but on Nudie Jeans website they do state that they have a similar model called High Top Tilde. So if you're interested in looking good like I do in this video, you can buy the High Top Tilde and you will look quite similar to these jeans. So this is also a raw jean, I should mention. So that means that these jeans are unwashed and I barely washed them. Well, I shouldn't say that, I washed them like 2 or 3 times, but they're not a lot washed. That's why I have these sick fades, as they say online. You'll have to make your own of those as well. So let me talk a little bit about my experience wearing Nudie jeans. So if you don't know a lot about me, I like to beat my jeans up quite heavily. I travel a lot, I work a lot, I fish, I go in the woods, and I do everything pretty much wearing the jeans. I like jeans a lot, and the pair of Nudie jeans is quite good. Now, the reason I think Nudie jeans are a great option is because usually the models, especially the indigo models, tend to have a lot of stretch. I do recommend buying one of the more stretchy models of Nudie jeans if you're going to buy one. The stretch models often tend to sit quite well on the body. This is a skinny jean, as you can probably see. It's got a quite high rise for being a skinny jean, which I really like. On top of that, since it's so stretchy, you can do pretty much anything you want on them. One of the drawbacks, however, with wearing stretchy jeans, especially ones that are not super thick, is that they tend to break down a little bit quicker than the super thick Japanese selvage denim. But on the other side, the stretch jeans tend to be a lot more comfortable than the more sturdy jeans that you can find out there. So as far as the fabric goes, it's quite excellent. It's made of organic cotton, so if you're hungry and you get stuck on an island or something, you could probably eat your jeans. Very nice. However, it's not salvage like I mentioned. And Nudie jeans do have some models that are salvage, but I do find that they're quite expensive. I mean, Nudie jeans are gonna set you back probably about $100 to $150. If you want the salvage models, they're usually, you could probably add on another $100. And that's just to get the little thing when you cuff your jeans. So if you're into that, you could pay the extra money, but probably you're better off with another brand then at that point. Like I mentioned, the fit on this pair of Nudie jeans is really nice. It looks great on your body. And even after 4 years of pretty constant wear, at least constant wear for the first 3 years, it's starting to break down quite a bit now. But it's still holding its shape quite well. Obviously these jeans are beaten up so bad that I can't wear them anymore. Another cool thing about Nudie jeans is that they're quite environmentally friendly. So like I mentioned, it's organic cotton, but also if you ruin your jeans, they do tend to repair them for free, which is awesome. So if you have a Nudie jeans store in your area, you can just bring in the pair of jeans and say, here, there's a hole in it, fix it. And they will actually do it for free. If you don't live near a Nudie jeans store, you can also have them repaired, or you can repair them yourself, I should say. Usually what happens is that you will send them a photo of your Nudie jeans, as well as mention like, yeah, I broke them, or doing this and that. And then they will send you this little repair kit, which contains like a couple of patches and some thread and a needle, I don't remember. But it's pretty much everything you need to repair your pair of jeans yourself, which is pretty cool. So that's pretty impressive for those Swedes over there making the jeans. Overall, I'd say I'm pretty impressed with the Nudie jeans. I do recommend buying a pair of indigo jeans if you're going to buy from them. I did buy a pair of black jeans that I did not like so much. But as far as the stretchy raw jeans, thumbs up from me. Another thing I should mention is that I will be making a couple of guides to show you how to buy the correct fit for you with the right size and length and type of denim that suits your body. So if I haven't made that, I'm gonna link that down here so you can click on to the next video. Otherwise, I want to say thank you for watching the video. Make sure to leave a couple of comments if you have any questions. I'd be happy to help you out. So yeah, see you in the next video.